like always. But today I'm going to be more stupid. I have an Ikea bag. And I know how to do flips. So, buddy. Alright, you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, and... Aw, I dropped the bag. I just need to try again. Like that. Boom. Okay. Like that. And 3, 2, 1. Ouch. I'll just try again. Maybe like it's like... Ouch. Okay, I'll try to use like, you know, you can jump out of the airplane and then have like... Alright, 3, 2, 1. Ouch. That hurt. Again. And now it's a hat. Arms through. Like that. Like that. It's a backpack now. I promise that's a hat. That is the weirdest thing I ever done. Even though I'm already very weird. I'm just gonna try to use it as a backpack now. If it was full of plushy stuffing, I think that would have been very fun to just like... That was all for jumping with Ikea bag. Comment if you want to see more of it.